Hi guys, welcome to Run BTS Club Episode 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. The variety show. And they play so many different games. They're still so awkward because it's their fourth time doing a variety show. So in Korea, we actually play Jenga a lot when we go to cafes. It says no diving in the back. And Jungkook's so small. Look at Jungkook. So he failed automatically. Umjal is gifts in Korea. Ah, so it was pretty popular in the 2010s to have really really harsh punishment for games. So that's literally garlic and water. Yeah, well, back then all the variety shows used to have like really, really harsh punishments. I'm sorry, there's someone honking in the background outside. My mic isn't like super good, so it still picks that up. As Koreans, we grow up folding a lot of paper cranes when we're young, so it's easy for us to, unfold them as well. Oh no, did Yoongi cheat? Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god. Oh no! Actually in Korea there's a big debate. Coke versus Pepsi. V is a genius for that. They're quoting the movie line from A Man from Nowhere, which was a really good movie. No, it's already over. Any questions? Isn't Jin allergic to garlic? Maybe he developed it later on. I need English subtitles. You can turn on English subtitles. What did the shirt say? Let's go back and see what the shirt said. I think it was in English though. The shirts. Coke or Pepsi? Coke all the way. What was the Wonbin movie? It's called The Man from Nowhere. The Korean title is actually Ajashi, and it's really good. Who is Wonbin? He is basically like who can I compare him to? Like DiCaprio, like Korea's DiCaprio. He played all the like the handsome good roles back in the day. Yeah, you should look Wonbin up. He's like gorgeous for no reason. Did Yoongi cheat? Yes, kind of. Coke or Pepsi in Korea? It's a big debate. Some people like Coke, some people like Pepsi. What's the Pepsi Coke debate about? Yeah, it's like just like who likes what better. How do you say GIF in Korean again? 짤? 짤. But people kind of shorten that to 짤, so people just say 짤. I missed what you said about the current debate in South Korea. There's a lot of debates in South Korea right now, like the 탕수육 debate, like the pearl leaf debate, etc., etc. It's funny how they didn't blur the staff's face in the stage. Yeah, they didn't care. What's the easiest way to share this with others? I will save this into an audio file and upload it on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Podcasts. You can sync it up yourself and watch it with me. Do they not speak formal this time? Yeah, they actually dropped the whole formality this time. So I'm sure they don't speak in formal language when they're alone. But on episode 1 through 3, it's still, it's still like a variety show. It's still professionalism. So they spoke in formal language kind of, but now they've completely dropped it and everyone's just speaking informally, like how they would in real life. Is it common for children to have swimming lessons in Korea? Yes, it is very common. The culture of intense punishments, has that changed at all over time? Yeah, we don't do that anymore. Like, we don't force people to drink garlic juice anymore. But at back in the day, like 10 years ago, like it used to be a thing. Like it used to be a thing. Like if you lose a game, you're sleeping outside. We're not giving you blankets. Like it was pretty intense. It was very crazy. Is that My Mister? No, it's not My Mister. My Mister is a whole nother show. We're talking about Ajashi or The Man from Nowhere. It's a movie from Korea. It's actually pretty good. You should look into it. Oh, and also we're gonna do like movie nights soon, so there's that. Any mass questions? What did V say when he drinks the garlic juice? Okay, so the famous line is, I still have one bullet left," is the famous line from The Man from Nowhere. So he was kind of quoting that, and he was saying, "I still have one glass left," and then drank it. We're gonna have movie nights maybe once every month, but like really fun movies that I'm gonna pick out. So if you want to join, then yeah. Anyways, that is it for today. Thank you for joining, and catch us next time for episode 5.